Hello,
Hi, Sahiba. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Where are you calling me from?
I am from India.
Oh, okay. Why
Yes.
did I think you were going to say Saudi Arabia?
Okay.
How
So,
old are you, Sahiba?
mm, I'm 17 years old.
Okay. Are you
Yeah,
still in school?
yeah. I'm studying in 11th class.
Okay.
Yeah,
And what
what's
is your plans?
nothing? Just I'm studying.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Okay. And when you finish school, what do you plan to do?
Uh, just mm, I actually my aim in life to become an Islamic scholar.
Okay.
So
Very
I
good.
I study related to Islamic.
Okay.
Yes. So what's your name?
My name is V.
Oh, we. Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Your name is
Nice
very
meeting you as well.
your name is very beautiful and funny.
Thank you.
Easy.
I had I had to shorten my name to make it
Yeah,
easier.
V double E.
Yes, that's right. Yes.
Yeah, very
So
easy.
tell me a little bit about yourself, Sahiba.
Yeah. Uh, my name is Sahiba. I am from India. Uh, I live in city Jammu and Kashmir, northern part. So my aim in life to become an Islamic scholar. So just I am studying in 11th class in secondary school. So it was all about to me.
Okay. And something about your family?
Yeah, I have I have two elder brother and one elder sister. I'm
Okay.
youngest.
And your mom and dad? Oh, so you're the spoiled one.
Yeah,
Are you spoiled?
spoiled means one moment.
Um,
One moment. Yeah, spoiled.
yes.
Me?
Yes.
Why?
Because you are the baby in the family.
Oh, yes, yes. No, I'm very simple.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Um, and Saiba, tell
yeah,
me about your friends. Do you have a lot of friends in school?
yeah. My, yeah, I have my three friends, my truly friends.
Your
She,
true friends.
yeah, true. Yeah,
Okay.
she's very, very nice friends.
Okay. And
Yeah,
do you read a lot?
yeah.
Okay. Do you read English books?
Yes, I read. Mm, I read a book, Subconscious Mind.
Okay.
Yes, and
And are you
I like religious book. I like reading religious book.
okay? And are you able to read and understand?
Yeah, English, no,
No. So you
no.
battle with the meaning of words.
Yeah,
Okay. And
yes,
you seem to speak pretty good English though.
yeah.
You're speaking pretty good English.
Me?
Yes, you're speaking English well.
Yes.
Okay. It's
No,
so
no,
so
no.
you battle.
Just I'm practicing in English. I not speak good English right
No,
now.
but you speaking to me.
Yeah.
I can understand you.
Okay. You can you understand me?
Yes.
Uh,
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Your English is good at this level. Okay.
Okay.
But
Okay.
reading English books will also help you. And then doing the exercises that we've got available on Cambly will
Okay.
also help you to improve and help you to understand meanings of words.
Okay.
Okay. Is there anything specific that you want to talk about right now?
Okay. Mm, sorry?
Is there anything that you want to talk about?
Speak again?
Do you want to talk about anything now? Okay, so let's look at a topic, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like cook.
You like to cook.
Yes, I make a lot of foods like
Okay.
biryani,
So,
chicken.
ooh, you got to send me some
Yes.
biryani.
You know biryani?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Okay, so let's make this a little bit exciting, right? I don't think we have much time.
Okay. I read.
Yes. So read for
Let
me.
Okay, yeah. Let's get started. To warm up, briefly discuss the following questions. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite meal to cook? What is the most popular food in your country?
Okay. So answer the first question for me.
Okay, I will try. Mm, what is your favorite food? My favorite food is chicken and rice.
Okay. So
Yeah.
let's go to the next question.
What is your favorite meal to cook? One moment. What is your favorite meal to um, I cannot I cannot explain in English. Mm,
Okay. So let's break it down, right?
What is the
Um,
most
we,
popular food in your country? Yeah, most popular. I don't know, but I like I like biryani mostly.
okay,
Yes,
biryani. Okay, so
yes. I
let's go
think
back to this.
yeah.
Let's go back to the second question. What is your favorite meal to cook? Okay. So when you make, for example, when you cook biryani,
Okay, okay.
what
Yeah,
do
yeah,
you
yeah. I see, I see. Yes, biryani. Yeah, biryani.
okay. So
Chicken.
what do you make with the biryani? Is it just biryani on its own? Do you make salad?
Yeah.
Anything else that you make for so if you're having dinner, you're cooking biryani for dinner, what
Yes.
else would you make for that dinner?
Can you write here?
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Yes. What were you? Okay.
So do you make salad?
Yes.
Okay. And what else?
Mm,
Do you make sweets?
yes.
Okay.
Sweet.
So when
Maggie.
okay, when they talk about a meal, they're talking about everything